Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you a small d capital U error code and you're wondering what's going on and what can you do to get rid of it. So basically, if you're getting this error, you're also door is probably stuck shut because this is a door unlock error. So basically the washing machine gives you this error when it knows it's supposed to unlock but it can't unlock. So depending on your model, you can get in underneath, and there's an access panel underneath. You can get in, and but make sure you unplug your washing machine first, and you can manually unlock your washing machine. But then we got to figure out what's going on. And the most easiest things to deal with once we get the door open is just making sure that there's nothing physical that would mechanically prevent the door locking mechanism from operating properly. Lint or gunk or grease buildup inside here or on the latch could make things sticky, and so they don't unlock properly when they're supposed to. Making sure everything's moving freely in there. The next thing that you could do, so if none of that fixes it, actually at that point I would just recommend calling a repairman. But there's a couple things to upgrading a little bit in terms of what you're doing. You could disconnect this locking mechanism on the door and on the machine and just check the wiring and make sure there's no obviously disconnected or loose wires or anything like that. And then if you've done that, what the repairman's probably going to do is recommend that you just replace the locking mechanism after that. And then it could be some very rare issues with the control board or something like that, but 99% of the time, the thing we've discussed so far will take care of the issue. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.